Jai Srimanarayana. 6th sloka of 10th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Maharshayah Saptapurve Chatvaro Manavastadha Madbhava Manasa jata Yesham loka imah prajaha Om. All the great seers, sages, Brahma, Rudra, entire universe, its creation, its maintenance, its administration, everything is happening just by a small tiny spark of Sri Krishna Paramatma's potency. You must be having any kind of talent or skill. Do not think that it is your own skill. It is definitely a small spark of Krishna Paramatma's potency. That is why your talent, your skill must be dedicated to Sri Krishna Paramatma. You have to act according to divine plan in all circumstances and in all timings. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I realize that my skill, my talent, everything is a spark of your potency. I shall dedicate all my talents and skills in your service. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I realize that all the great seers and sages and this entire universe, its creation, maintenance, administration, everything is happening according to divine plan, Sri Krishna Paramatma's plan, and surviving with a tiny spark of Krishna Paramatma's potency. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्म सरस्वतीदेवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. శ్రీమద్భాగవతము దశమస్కంధము 10th స్కంధం 116th డే. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, in Nandavraj, all the Gopikas came to Yasoda and complaining about Krishna's mischievous activities, saying like this, O Yasoda, one day what we all have done is expecting that your son would come into our houses. We closed all the doors of our houses. We put locks also. And then we were waiting on the way in which Krishna would come. But what happened is, he never came in that path. But when we finally went and saw, all the doors were locked as it is, but inside Krishna is there. And in every home he is there, your son is there. What he is doing? ఒక ఇంటిలో పాడు నొక ఇంటిలో ఆడు, ఒక ఇంటిలో నవ్వున్ ఒకట తిట్టు ఒకట వెక్కిరించు, ఒక్కొక్కచో మృగపక్షి ఘోషణములు పరగచేయున్. ఇట్లు చేసి వెనుక నెక్కడ పోవునో కానరాడు రిత్త కడవలుండు. In one house he is seen while singing the songs. In other house he is seen while dancing. In other house he is laughing. In other house he is scolding. In other house he is sarcastically saying something. And in few houses he is making sounds like birds and animals. So what we have done, finally when we wanted to catch him, we never was able to catch hold him. While we are all seeing, he almost like disappeared, Yasoda. And finally when we saw in our houses, all of our milk, yogurt, butter, all the pots were empty. O Yasoda, yes, we know that you belong to such a wealthiest family. Then you dress up good, you eat good food. But you should not be sending your son onto this village, and your son, while he is torturing all the people in this village, you cannot be keep smiling like this, Yasoda. Like that all the Gopikas complaining. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 10th chapter 6th sloka. Maharshayas sapta purve చత్వారో మనవస్తథా మద్భావా మానసా జాతాః యేషాం లోక ఇమాః ప్రజాః. మహర్షయః సప్త పూర్వే చత్వారో మనవస్తథా మద్భావా మానసా జాతాః యేషాం లోక ఇమాః ప్రజాః. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.